Hello planning masters and welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up February in my bullet journal and I'm very excited for this theme. And if you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Okay, let's get planning. Of course, first the supplies, my gorgeous journal in the amazing cover. I will be using tons of different fine liners and a whole bunch of different markers. Most of them are Doodle brushed pens though. Everything will be linked in the description, so if you wonder, just check it there. So my theme for February is Headspace. Headspace is the app I use for meditation. And with me kind of thinking that this year I will be paying more attention to mindfulness and I've been trying to meditate more often, I feel like this theme just had to happen, and well, why not do it in February? I want to say that I do know that Sarah Ellis, and I will leave her Instagram handle in the description. She also did Headspace theme before, so you can check out what she created. But yeah, basically for this theme, I chose the illustrations from the app and kind of just drew them in my journal because their illustrations are just the cutest. And I felt like it would be fun to make my own take on them. And the only issue I had was kind of like choosing what kind of color palette to use. So you'll see as we go with this theme that I could never choose whether I wanted to use pastel colors or bright colors. And I want to apologize for camera being a little bit unfocused in this part of the video. I keep looking at my visor on my camera when I'm recording to make sure that things are in focus, but this just escaped me. It looked like it is in focus, but now that I'm editing the video, I see that it kind of wasn't. So thank you for bearing with me, and please don't leave the video now. I promise it gets back into focus. So I know that for the last couple of months, I would usually have a quote page on the left side, but here I felt like I could include a quote to the cover page, and I feel like it just fits perfectly here. And there will be a lot of quotes throughout this setup because as a meditation app, they always have like a quote of the day or a quote they give you after meditation. So a lot of great quotes coming from Headspace, and yeah, there will be quite a few of them on my bullet journal pages. So finally, I decided to do something different for my monthly log. So this is a vertical monthly log, and because Square Journal has so much space, I feel like this will actually work pretty well. I do already miss my little calendar, but well, not a big deal. I know that I can always make like a flip out calendar if I want to. And I also still had some tricks with color to make sure that I see my weeks kind of more clearly. And you will see that later in the video. So the trick I used to kind of make sure that I have very clear division between the weeks is that I colored the circles for the days that are weekend in a different color. I feel like I still really miss the days of the week next to the dates, but I couldn't find a good way to fit it, so I'm just gonna roll with it as it is. Okay, this page are my trackers, and well, I kind of wasn't sure what I want to do with it because for my monthly log, I usually have a little space under the monthly log where I write my content ideas and stuff for my blog and YouTube and everything. But I didn't have a space here, so I decided to put it on the next page, and then I wasn't sure how to fill out the rest. And then I realized that if I do very basic setup for my trackers, all of this will fit in just one page. And as you can see, I still have a lot of space to decorate it. So it worked out perfectly. And I think I actually really like the idea of having like my monthly log, my content ideas, and my trackers on like one page. Well, kind of one page, but in a way that I can open my journal and I can see all of this in one place, like at a glance look at it all. I really, really like it. So moving forward, I think I am going to go with this kind of order versus having my doodling page after my monthly log. And of course, again, I added another quote here because why not? There are tons of amazing quotes from Headspace, so why not just use it? This page is for the doodling challenge, which we monthly have on Patreon. So if you want to join, if you want to support Masha plans, or you want to get tons of rewards I create every month for our Patreon family, be sure to check. The link is in the description. But yeah, so we have a monthly doodling challenge. And this time, well, February is a short month. So I actually had more space to add decorations to this page, which made me very happy because I really like the way it turned out and the fact that I could fit that quote here, because I feel like this particular quote is something special and very important, something I really needed a reminder of when I was filming this video. So yeah, this page is going to have a very special meaning for me. And I can't wait to fill it out with doodles and show it to you after the pen. Because this is kind of like a gratitude log. It looks the best once it's filled out. And speaking of the gratitude log, I just want to mention that I feel like I found the best way for me to fill out the gratitude log. And there is a blog post for this video, and it has tons of other February theme ideas. And over there, I actually share my gratitude log from January, the way I kind of filling it out. And it's just so much fun. I'm really enjoying it. I'm kind of doing a combination of like different styles of letters, doodling, photos, everything together. So in the end, my gratitude log kind of looks like a memory page. Be sure to check the blog post for more theme videos and let me know which one you chose to do in February. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!